Hi everybody, the first exercise we're going to do is called the bird dog, and it's a really important exercise for stabilizing the spine and also engaging both sides of the back extensor muscles. So come to hands and knees, the knee joint directly under the hip joint, the palms pressed into the mat, lifting opposite arms and legs, making sure that the pelvis isn't dropped to one side or lifted too high. So just keeping it level, and start by alternating side to side. We lift the leg, we engage the glute, and then we hold for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. 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 Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch.